Suppose I'll stand next to the right
5,
side eye.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Don't go in those shadow orbits. Okay, there's tentacle up for the melee. Go to the one at the back of the room. Ranged onto the eyes.
Don't have the circle on.
Oh, they don't have the
legs.
circle on
I don't
normal.
have it on
Okay,
hand.
that's cool. Cool, which one you've put your fake bomb onto?
The orbs.
Okay.
I'll go put mine on
Dodge
the
the
other tentacle.
attacks.
Back to Sigmas. We'll put yours on something.
Okay, range pick up an orb. Melee, keep focusing down. Should have.
I wanna try placing this anyway. Just move to the other side.
Watch the attack.
Ah, I wasn't close enough. Oh, I was now.
There's no one. There's nothing to put that on yet. Wolf. So just keep it to the side. Okay, Moor's up. Get it onto the Moor, please, Wolf. Oh, okay. No. Everyone on the Moor. On the Moors. Sorry. Don't be in that circle, guys. Watch that circle.
Just spell the stance, please.
Those were shadow. There was a shadow orb not taken. Okay, if you get a shadow orb, go onto the boss. If you don't have a shadow orb, go onto the.
One lost here.
No, we'll wait and try and coordinate it. Let's try and get 8 orbs up at once again.
Oh.
Right, kill the ones on the right side. More onto the tentacle. I want 8 orbs at the same time. More on the tentacle, guys, come on. Stop on the eye, let's get the 8. High single targeters, get ready to get orbs. Lust. High single targeters, there's 4 more orbs up. Watch it, watch it. Get the more in the eye.
Spell map, please. Thank you.
There's still some shadows up, guys. Come on, come on, come on. See.
This can never affect the bars, can it?
No.
Figure as much.
Tentacles up, guys. There's a more at the back here. If anyone has any clue what's going on right now, just feel free to say afterwards, because this is just confusing.
I'm stunned.
I'm mostly kind of disappointed.
And CCR stunned as well, on the edge here with me. Four shadow orbs up. Orbs at the back here by me. I'm stunned as well.
Need a bank on the boss.
Yep, sorry.
Thanks.
It's been my target. It's been it's been debuffed by Neff. Okay, the other side with that. Neff, get back on the boss. Watch the void clear from the eyes as well. Those with purple nuke the boss. Almost go down.
I need to get closer.
Nice done, guys.
That was